Hey there, it's Melissa. I am here with the Aldi Find Sneak Peek for the week of March 5th through March 11th. As you know, Aldi's been making some changes to the way that we see our sneak peeks online. They finally have settled in. We can see everything now, but they're kind of all spread about and occasionally a couple mistakes here and there, but that's okay. Happy we can see it. I'm compiling everything into one spot to make it a little bit easier. So let's see what we got. We have some really cute rain jackets in the two-tone or the black. We've got some adorable kids' umbrellas. We had the ladies' undies, and they have very good ones, so don't pass up on these. We've got the jeggings in different styles and colors. We have some charger hubs. We have some faux floral stems. These were really pretty last year. We have the spring mats. They are adorable. We have some 3-wick candles and some print floral rugs, 6x9. Not floral, not all of them, but you know what I mean. We have the colored glass candles. These are really pretty. Look at these gorgeous candle holders. These are absolutely stunning, these candles with the floral print. We have the mini spring gnomes. It is spring at Aldi this week. I can't wait. Look at that. We have 4 color choices on the candles. We have some more spring mats for the outside. We've got some spring frame wall art. Those are really pretty. We have some porch signs. Super cute. We have some utility runners. So not the washable, but these are some nice ones. We have the Sherpa Ottoman. This is really cute. We have a handheld cordless wet dry vac. And the stick vacuum cleaner. Everybody really pretty much likes this one. We've got the Easy Home laundry bags and the hat washer. We've got some mini sewing kits and that big one with all the thread. Aldi's got some great ones. We have some new dustpans. Those are super cute colors. I'm feeling the need for a new one now. We have some sink cleaning stuff. We have the laundry stuff. So the dryer balls, we have a laundry storage set and that hamper. We have a queen air mattress with the built-in pump. We have the boho hanging hammock chair because we are getting ready for spring. Wait till you see. Look at these adorable planters and that plant holder. We have these trellises. Those are so cute. We have these watering globes. I love them. We have the watering hanging planters. For that price, you can't beat it. And the self-watering herb planters. I may need to get some of those. We have the sun catchers. They're a little hard to see, but they look like they're going to be pretty, as well as the sun catcher stakes. We have the wooden plant ladder. I've seen people paint that too, and it comes out gorgeous. We have this moisture meter and a pH meter. The seed starting pellets and the trays. I'm so excited. Gardening season. We have the assorted foliage in the planters. We have some bouquets that'll be available. Some beautiful fresh flower bouquets. We have the rain jackets for our pets. How cute are those? The strawberries are adorable. We have some butter. These 3 flavors are so good. The flounders are delicious. All 3 of these. And the Stroop waffles, cones, ice cream sandwiches. Oh, they're delicious. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it. It helps more people see it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everyone.